Hello everybody, Andy Aranda with Pure Plumbing here. Today I'm going to show you how to unclog a toilet. We want to show you how to take care of that without having to call a plumber. As you see, we got a little bit of toilet paper here in the toilet to kind of mock a scene of a toilet being clogged. So the first thing you're going to need is either a plunger or an auger. So I'm going to show you today how to use either a plunger or an auger, depending on how severe your blockage is. Alright, as we flushed our toilet, we can see that this toilet water line is filling, and it's filling fast. First thing we want to do is identify our shutoff valve and shut the water off as quickly as possible. Alright, so most of the plungers you're going to see are going to be real basic, kind of like your traditional old school plunger. What you want to find is something that has a gasket that's going to fit inside the toilet. So it's going to be able to suction the toilet a lot better to get that water moving and loosen the blockage. So now that we have this plunger in here, we're going to try to get this thing unclogged. You're going to proceed with an up and down motion until you see that water level start to lower down. So our plunger didn't work, right? We found that out because when we turned the toilet back on and we flushed it, our water level still rose to the top, indicating that we need to go to the next tool, which would be a toilet auger. Alright, so our toilet auger right here is kind of like a snake, right? But you can see it has a rubber boot right here at the bottom that protects the actual auger from scratching the inside of the toilet. So when you're putting this auger in the toilet, make sure that that rubber pad sits at the bottom of the toilet. So as you can see, the snake part of the auger is actually in the shaft of the toilet auger itself. So what you're going to proceed to do is turn that handle clockwise and start pushing that rod inside the toilet. So you're turning it as you're pushing it, going through the P-trap and around the other edges to clear the toilet. So as you can see here, we have just cleared the toilet with the toilet auger. Alright, so I want to thank you all for joining us today. Hopefully we showed you a little bit of insight on how to unclog a toilet. So if you want to see more DIY videos, please visit our website today. This is Andy Aranda with Pure Plumbing. Thank you for watching.